Want to make money online in 2025? Here are 5 beginner-friendly ways to start earning, even from your phone. No hype, just real results. Links to free tools in the description below. First one, freelancing. If you can write, design, or help virtually, people will pay you. Sites like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer are the best places to begin. Alright, for number 2, print on demand. Upload a design, they handle the rest. Printing, shipping, and inventory. Perfect for shorts, mugs, even phones. Number 3, affiliate marketing. Share product links. If someone buys, you get paid. Use Amazon, Share a Sale, or Impact. Even short reviews or tutorials can drive clicks. Affiliate starter kit, link below. Number 4, sell digital products, ebooks, templates, Notion planners. Create once and sell forever. Use on Gumroad or passive pay hit. No inventory, no shipping, no followers needed, just a niche. Try Gumroad. Number 5, finally we have passive apps and micro task surveys, watching videos, or just walking. Try Swagbucks, Inbox Dollars, or Mode Earn app. Great for daily side cash. App download links with bonuses below. So those are the 5 ways you can start making money online this year. Everything mentioned is linked below, some with referral bonuses or free trials. Try one, stick with it, and let momentum build. Want full tutorial? Subscribe for step-by-step videos every week. Thanks for watching. Now go make that first $1.